Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back with another pocket knife I've just finished up. This here is my country gentleman pattern. It is 3 3/4 inches closed and 6.5 inches when it's open. This is just kind of the classic handle material that a lot of folks are requesting. It's the Ivory G10 and natural burlap micarta bolsters and shield. And I've used brass liners and did some file work. It's turned out pretty decent. And used brass pins and did the bird's eye style pivot with the brass bushing and nickel silver hinge pin. Blade center decent. I'm really happy with the pull on this one. I've been working to try to do better at that. I would say this one is a really nice smooth 4.5 to 5, maybe a 5, something in that area. But it's a good couple points lighter than what I have been making, so I'm pleased with that. The blade and back spring is CPM 154. I did a 400 grit hand finish on it. Of course, it has swedges. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. See if we can get to where we can see down in there. I did a 400 grit finish on the inside of the liners as well as the back spring. And yeah, I've sharpened it, so I'm trying to be a little bit more careful with it because it sharpened up quite nicely. Still has nice snap, but the action is nice and smooth. This has been a look at my country gentleman pattern. I appreciate y'all watching. If you liked the video, consider giving it a like. If you want to follow along on my knife making journey, consider subscribing. I hope y'all's having a good day, and I will talk to you later.